What's up guys, my name is Aisling and I'm one of the creative directors here in Havana Skin Clinic. So I'm coming on today to tell you guys about our Image ADS Premium Dermaroller. I'm coming on to give you a quick tutorial on how you can use this roller for the neck area. So what's really cool about this roller is it's not just for the facial area, it can be brought all the way down to the neck and chest. So again, as I just said, the purpose of this video is just to give you a quick tutorial on how you can use it on the neck and jawline and the plastima area. What I usually do when I start rolling is I will take my hyaluronic acid. So as you can see, prior to recording this video, I already rolled the face area because I usually just do the face, neck and chest all in one go. So we're moving on to the neck. So first step, I'd always take my hyaluronic acid and I would just put a small amount all around the full neck area. And just so you know, I'm going to take it right from the back, like here, all the way around. So we're going to do the full area and the plastima, which is this part here, which tends to drop as we get older. So I'm going to take a small amount and literally just pop it in my hands. And then following this, once I have full coverage on the area that I plan to roll on, we're going to take it in sections and just add a small amount to the area that we're about to roll. It's really simple guys. Like in previous videos, if you're already familiar with our YouTube channel, you'll know that we recommend to do in a crisscross pattern on the facial area, always removing the roller before you turn because you don't want to break the skin. That's how you can hurt yourself using the roller. You always have to lift it from the skin before turning it. We're gonna go by the same principle, so we're gonna do a crisscross pattern, only slightly differently, because this is the area that I plan to start on. So starting from right all the way around to left, so I can keep track on where I'm at with it. I'm taking my roller out of the container. As I said, I've already taken out of the box because I've already done the facial area, as you can see by how red I am. I tend to take small sections and I roll vertically and then horizontally. So I'm gonna start in this section here, which is where I plan on starting on, taking it the whole way down, and then I'm gonna go horizontally. So I'm starting at the jawline, and coming the whole way down. And remember guys, in between using the roller when you're going for your product to the roller, always pop the roller back in the box. You don't want to get it dirty. My final section on the far left. And you'll probably notice as well that when I'm applying the hyaluronic acid to this side, I'm also kind of bringing the remainder over to the area that I've just rolled. My microchannels are now open, so it's perfect for applying more product and get them deeper into the epidermis of the skin. You're probably wondering why we don't have a skincare specialist carrying out this video, and it's because this is an at-home microneedling device and it's made for everyone to be able to use and for the treatment to be able to be carried out by anybody at home. So if you've watched our previous videos, you'll know that dermarolling the skin is causing controlled injury to the surface of the skin. So it's giving our collagen and elastin that kick they need to do their job properly, resulting in plumper, firmer skin. So I think that's everything on our tutorial on how to use our Image ADS for the neck area. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to grab your own Image ADS Premium Dermaroller, you can grab it in the link below guys. Thanks so much for watching. Do you want to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, acne scarring, sun damaged skin, or maybe you have stretch marks? Then this is a perfect product for you. We're recording this video from Havana Skin Clinic as we have just launched our Image ADS Premium Dermaroller. It's an at-home microneedling device and we're selling it at a whopping 60% discount, as when this product went to manufacture, unfortunately for us, there was a typo on the outside of the box, but luckily for you, we're selling it at 60%. So grab yours in the link below at a whopping 60% off. Thanks so much.